Hello guys, this is Dark Panda and today we will see how we can generate stunning and creative QR codes using condition control net models for stable diffusion. In simpler terms, in short, we are going to take an initial image like this and then we are going to generate 100% working QR code from it, an image like this. So let's get started. What to do if you don't have a GPU? If you have GPU on your machine, that is good. Otherwise, you can use GPUs from Google Colab. If you don't have Colab paid plan and want a free option, then you can go to kaggle.com, make an account, and use their notebook with GPU enabled. 30 hours per week GPU is free, which is enough for AI newbies. I am also using Kaggle notebook in my video. First, you have to create a simple QR code. You can do this for free using this website. When making the QR code, you should set error correction level H and image size 250 cross 250. You can put any info you want in your QR code, like your contact, website, or name. So once your QR code is ready, then we proceed to the next step. Okay, so this is my Kaggle notebook. As you can see that I have enabled GPU here, and let's start coding. The first step we're going to do is we are going to install the necessary dependencies, and so for that I'm going to use this command. All of this code is below uh, in the description below, and here we start installing dependencies. Okay, so now once we have installed all the libraries, now what we are going to do is that we are going to have to restart the kernel once, and this is just you have to do it. Otherwise, the code won't work. If you're using Colab or Kaggle or even your own machine, you have to restart the kernel. Now that we have done this, what we'll do is that we will write the code for generating image, and here is the complete code for the writing image, and I'm not going to go into so many details. This we're just importing the dependencies, then we're defining our models, and some image helper functions. And okay, so now the stuff that we have to pay attention to is that this source image, this source image is the actual code image which we have generated before, and then the initialization image, this is the image that this is the path to the image that we want to enter as the initial image, which I showed you before. This is that image. So and here there are a few things. um, Width and height of the generated image, leave it as it will be. Guidance scale, you don't need to worry about it that much. One thing you have to take care of is strength. Now the more the strength, the more is QR code visible in your picture, but when and you have to make it visible enough so that it can be scanned from your phone or whatever. So if the strength is too low, then it might not get scanned. So what I would suggest is start from an initial value of 0.95 and then go 0.9697 up to 0.99. So I have tried and it works good at 0.99. So I'm going to run this code at 0.99. So let's run the code, and here the code has started running. So guys, our code has run. It takes a few minutes to run, and first there are some warnings. It downloads the model, and here voila, it generates the QR code. And now we just have to save this QR code in this AI beautiful QR code, and for that we will type this, and it has been saved. So this is it, and I would love to see. I want you guys to try this code out now. The code is in the description, and generate your own beautiful QR images, and show me in the comments what you have generated. I'm really excited to see what ideas you guys come up with. Also, if you like my content, like the channel, subscribe it, and I know the audio was really bad, but I'm improving my sound system. so in future videos it will be good. So that's it from my side. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.